Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Martha and Mara.
Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica and this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more video. Please support your girl. Support, I need your support. So today tunakwenda kupika tambi, simple recipe kwa ajili ya matumizi ya nyumbani. So nitakwenda kupika tambi na nyama, lakini nitatumia recipe very simple. Sitotumia viungo vingi kwa sababu ni matumizi kwa ajili ya nyumbani. So kama wewe unapenda tambi yako iwe na viungo vingi, is upon you, but me personally I like my recipe to be simple but tasty. So come with me as I'm going to show you guys. Let me know in the comment section, have you enjoyed my cooking vlog? Tell me also in the comment section, have you eat already? And let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if you will eat or pass, cause me, this is absolutely the best I have here. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting. I love you. Like, comment and share. Thank you.